po si Godfrey Quezon, and this is my devotion for today, June 6. And ang topic po natin for today is: ikaw ba ay isang aksidente o disenyo ng Diyos, or intelligent design? Ano po ba yun? Intelligent design is the view that God created the world and all its life forms. It stands in contrast to the belief that life developed purely by random evolutionary processes. Scripture reveals that creation is intentional, purposeful, and displays God's wisdom and power. The complexity and beauty of life. Life po ito a divine creator and not chance but choice. So, sabihin po ito, lahat daw po ng bagay dito, lahat ng creation dito sa mundo ay ginawa po ng ating Panginoon, and of course, hindi po siya naging aksidente kasi ginawa nga po ng ating Panginoon tayo lahat. And of course, yung ating Panginoon is may reason po siya kung bakit po niya tayo ginagawa or ginawa niya yun sa atin. So, scripture for today po is Psalms chapter 8 verses 3 to 4. Sabi ko po: when I consider the heavens, the work of your fingers, the moon and the stars which you have set in place, what is mankind that you are mindful of them, human beings that you care for? Dito lang pinapakita lang po sa scripture na mahal po talaga tayo ng ating Panginoon, na He died for us para po sa ating mga kasalanan, na matay po ang ating Panginoon Jesus Cristo para maligtas po tayong lahat. So, teaching is fine-tuning of creation reflects intelligent creator, life's complexity, and is divinely purposed, and intelligent design glorifies intelligent design. Sabihin, para po magkaroon ng ganon, ng magandang creation, sabihin dapat powerful or makapangyarihan din yung gumawa. So of course, si Lord po yung gumawa nito lahat. Sabi nga po ni Jesus Christ, ang ating Panginoon gumawa ng lahat. Ibig sabihin, talagang ipagkatiwala lang po natin lahat sa ating Panginoon, dahil siya nga po yung gumawa ng lahat, and of course, siya po yung may alam ng lahat. So, ayun lang po. Ako si Godfrey Quezon, and this is my devotion for today, June 6. Sana po ay marami kayo natutunan. Ayun lang po.